All right, today we're going to do volume of a cone. Volume of a cone. So let's draw a cone. Okay, it's almost like a triangle, but the base is going to be a circle, not a triangle. So this is like an ice cream cone, a birthday party hat, something like that. So the base is a circle. Okay. If it gives you the diameter divided by 2 equals the radius, which is r. Okay, so and then the height of the prism is from the bottom to the top. So let's just say this one is 10. The diameter is 8. Okay, so right there, 8 divided by 2 is 4 for the radius. All right, so let's look at the formula. The formula for volume of a cone is V equals 1/3 big BH. So V equals 1/3 big BH. Okay, the base shape is a circle. So we're going to drop the 1/3, we're going to keep it. We're going to put circle right here, and then H for the height of the prism. Then in the next V, we're going to keep the 1/3, and now since this is a circle, what is the area formula of a circle? So I'm going into the big B section, and it is pi r2. So pi r squared times the height. Now we're going to substitute the numbers. We're going to substitute the letters for numbers. So 1/3 will stay, pi will stay, and the radius is going to be right here. 8 divided by 2, 4 equals the radius. So 4 squared, and then times the height of the prism is 10. Okay. All right, so we're going to put that in the calculator. Alpha y equals 1/3 times pi times 4 squared times 10. It's going to be 167, 55, or 167.6. All right, those of you who don't have this calculator, you will go, you can use pi, you can use 3.14. So 3.14 for pi times 4 times 4, because of the 4 2 times, and then times 10. And then for the last step, we're going to divide it by 3. So divide it by 3 equals, same thing, 167.46. Okay, so it's a difference of a very small decimal difference, but it's still going to be 167. Okay, units cubed. Okay, all right, let's look at another cone. Let's draw it this way. Okay. All right. Alright, this time we're just given the radius and the height is 12. So V equals 1/3 big BH. V equals 1/3. The base is a circle with the height. The V equals 1/3 will stay. The formula for area of a circle is pi r squared times the height, and then 1/3. Okay, for here, if you don't have the pi on your calculator, you can put 3.14. Okay, 5 squared, so 5 squared times 12. Okay, so 1/3. So times 3.14. I'm doing an extra V in case you need the extra example. Times 5 times 5, because that squared is right there, times 12. Okay, so that is the decimal, not multiplication. So we're going to multiply this first. 3.14 times 5 times 5 times 12. So that's 942 divided by 3 equals 314 units cubed. Okay, or you can put all of this in your calculator using pi. Alpha y equals 1/3 second pi 5 squared times 12. And we get a little bit bigger on a decimal, but it still is going to equal 3.14 times 1/5, or 3.14.2. Okay, all right. So the only difference between these two cones is that this gave a radius, so it's going to stay the same. This gave the diameter, and when we are given the diameter, we divide it by 2 to get the radius.